First up here tonight, let's talk about this. The state of insurance here in Florida as we inch closer to the end of hurricane season. According to new state data just out, more than 133,000 claims were filed for Hurricane Helene.
And for Hurricane Milton, the number of claims filed more than doubled to 285,000, with losses at nearly $5 billion for both storms. For Hurricane Helene, just 60% of claims have been closed, but we're told that's because Helene was more of a flood event. And as we've learned, flooding is not covered in your property insurance. And
take a look at these numbers here after Hurricane Ian. That was 2 years ago. Nearly 800,000 insurance claims from that storm, totaling more than $21 billion in losses. And all new here tonight, the man you're about to meet here is like so many on the Gulf Coast. Hurricane Milton left his property underwater, but when he went to cash his insurance checks, he got hit with another blow. The bank refused to cash his check. Wendy?
Yeah, that's right, Paul. Our I-Team investigative reporter Katie LaGrone first brought you this story just a few weeks ago, and new tonight, she has a welcome update.
We were able to come back and fix certain things.
Rebuilding has finally resumed inside this rental on the water in St. Pete Beach.
We were able to complete some of our baseboards.
It feels like a long time coming.
We had to remove the flooring.
Reza Razavi owns the property and contacted us a few weeks ago when his mortgage lender, TD Bank, refused to cash this preliminary insurance check for $20,000 so he could begin making repairs while his full claim is still being processed.
$20,000 is a lot of money.
It is.
It's not unusual for mortgage or lien holders to require proof of work before endorsing a check. But in Razavi's case, the notarized document he provided along with his contractor's estimate wasn't enough. TD Bank wanted a copy of his claim adjuster's report, which is backlogged by at least a month because of Florida's back-to-back storms. The bank's refusal to hand over the money forced this property owner to take out another line of credit so he could start the work and prevent more damage.
It was terrible because, you have the funds, but you can't have access to funds.
But less than 2 hours after we contacted TD Bank for answers,
one of the managers contacted me and they said that they have endorsed the check and they can deposit it.
And so you got your money?
We got the initial.
You got the $20,000.
That is correct.
In a recent statement, a spokesperson for TD Bank didn't explain why it delayed Razavi's check, but stated they were pleased to reach a positive resolution.
I did get an apology letter from TD.
What did it say?
I'm pretty much apologizing, but I'm grateful for the apology letter.
For Razavi, the $20,000 advance is just a start to helping him rebuild so his tenants can move back and everyone can move on.
If it wasn't because of you guys, our voice would have never been heard. That's just a plain truth.
And when asked if TD Bank is changing any of its policies for Florida customers given these back-to-back storms, a spokesperson maintained this was an isolated incident. I'm I-Team investigator Katie LaGrone taking action for you.